Let me show you how to do those 3 problems I did on an earlier video, this time using my graphing calculator. So I'm in my y equals and I'm typing out these equations. And I go to my graph and I am going to look for these 2 solutions. So there's a couple different ways of doing that. I could use my fancy dancy underneath my trace, my intersect button, number 5. To do this, you'll take your cursor and you'll move it to the left of the intersection, and that's to the left. I hit enter. I jump to the other graph. I move the cursor to the right of it. I hit enter, and always hit enter again, and there is that intersection. Right there, and here is your first answer. So answer number 1 is -1, 0. Repeat the process. Number 5, we'll intersect. Move the cursor closer. Stay to the left. There we go. Enter. It jumps to the other graph. Now I'm to the right. I'm off the screen, but I am to the right. Hit enter again on the guess. And there is your other intersection. Now another way of doing it is to go to your table. You're looking for 2 answers. And what you want to look for in your table is any time you see the same y twice, there and there. So 1, 0 and 2, 9. That's how you do it. Use your graphing calculator. X squared plus 2x minus 6, 2x minus 2. And we're looking for 2 answers. So I want to try to figure out where that is. That's -2 right there. And I want to figure out where that is. I like the table method, but the table method doesn't always work. But I'm going to try the table. I see -6 here and here, and 2 here and here. So my solutions are going to be -2, -6, and 2, 2. And this is the last one. Be careful with the negative. Whoops. Looking for u here and down here. This looks like -1. This looks like 3 maybe. Go to my table. See -1, yep, there I have matching 3's. So -1, 3 is one solution, and 3 right there, -9. 3 at -9. You can't always tell from the table, so sometimes you may have to use that intersect button, but that is pretty neat. Hey, clean your rooms.